Safe pang gamitin araw-araw ang ating iron spec? Safe ba to araw-araw? Let's clear that up. Yes, 100% safe itong gamitin daily. Ang iron spec ay gawa sa medical grade material at may negative ion at FIR stone na natural at non-invasive. Ang ginagawa niya, it reduces eye strain, it improves blood circulation, it blocks the harmful blue lights and UV ray. Kaya safe and recommended siya for everyday use. Pwede sa bata, pwede din sa adults. Lalo na kung lagi kang nasa screen at exposed sa radiation. Kaya ang sagot, yes! Safe na safe gamitin araw-araw ang iron spec. So message me now to get your own iron spec. This is Rain from Iron Spec PH by Erwin and Rain.